Morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start our the pending lesson from the textbook chapter 1, the living world, adaptations and classifications. So don't wasting the time, we will start the lesson. Try this and make 2 potted plants. Uh, One second, students. Take 2 potted plants, one a cactus and the other a leafy plant. They are telling you have to take a plant like cactus and the other a leafy plant, any other plant. Tie plastic bags loosely around the leaves of these plants and keep them in sunlight from early in the morning. In the afternoon, bring those plant pots into the classroom and observe them. Has the same quantity of water collected in both bags? Desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are like small needles or have been modified into thorns. As a result, they lose very little water by evaporation. The stem stores water and food and is and and is therefore fleshy. The stems are green as they perform photosynthesis in the absence of leaves. The roots penetrate deep into the soil and some roots spread away into the soil in search of water. There is a thick layer of waxy substance on the stems of these plants too. Adaptation in plants of snowy regions. Can you tell in what way are the sloping branches useful to plants in snowy regions? Plants of snowy regions mainly include conifers like deodar and pine. These trees are conical in shape due to their sloping branches. In the heavy snowfall and extreme cold in these regions, their conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree, and the thick bark helps the tree to withstand the cold. Adaptation in plants of forest regions. A variety of plants, trees, shrubs, and herbs found are found in forests. These plants compete amongst themselves for sunlight. Hence, trees grow tall to get sunlight, and climbers and vines grow to a great height with the support of trees. Spring like supports spring like supports spring like tendrils on the stems of some climbers in an example of adaptation. Now come here. Adaptation in grassland plants. This okay. Once again. Diverse types of bushes and grasses are found In the grasslands, fibrous roots of grass prevent soil erosion. Forests in the equatorial region or are dense. Animals like tiger, elephants, and deer can be remain hidden in these grasses. However, grasses in cold regions are very short. Animals like the rabbit are found in such grasses. West meadows are found in hilly areas as well as plains. Observe and discuss. Observe and note down the adaptations in the parts plants like potato, groundnut, yam, water, hyacinth, aloe, acacia, carrot, onion, beet, bitter gourd, grape, vine, etc. and other plants in our surroundings. Uh, Adaptation for insection of food is in plants. Most of the plants are anchored in the ground and are anthropic. However, plants like dodder, cuscuta are parasitic. The plant body of dodder consists of yellow wire-like stems. It is leafless and cannot perform photosynthesis. However, it has hostial sucking roots for absorbing nutrients from the host plant. These roots penetrate up to the conduction vessels of the host plant to absorb water and food. Fungi do not have cloverish and cannot perform photosynthesis. They obtain food from starchy foodstuffs like bhakri and bread. They have root-like fibers for absorption of food. Plants need nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for growth. Plants that grow in soil which is deficient in nitrogen like Drosera, sundew, Venus, flytrap, pitcher plant, etc., fulfill their need for nitrogen by consuming insects. Adaptations are seen in these plants which serve to attract insects and hold them captive. My friend, the internet collect the information about plant adaptations from website www.mbgnet.net. Adaptations in animals. Make a list of animals in your surroundings. Compare the diversity of animals listed by your friends with your list. Discuss the habitats, food habits, characteristics of body structure like vertebral column, wing, gills, tails, etc., and prepare a chart. What differences do you see between terrestrial and aquatic animals? As compared to terrestrial animals, the skin and body shape of aquatic animals appear to have undergone changes. Fishes have scales on the skin and fins on the body. Their body tapers towards both its ends like a spindle. Fish breathe with gills. Their body tapers. Their eyes have transparent eyelids. They have air bladders within the body to help them afloat. Observe the bodies of the frog, duck, and tortoise. Of what use are their legs to these animals? What helps frogs to breathe underwater? So this you have to write compulsory in your notebook. Okay. Uh, as the frog and duck have webbed toes, they can use their legs like oars. Water flows. The waxy feathers of birds like duck and water hen, webbed toes, slippery smooth skin, and a triangular head help frogs to swim easily through water. They can live on land as well as in water due to their ability to breathe through the skin in water and using the nose and lungs on land. The typical colors of a frog's back help it to hide among grasses. Make a list of the names of some other amphibians you know and study their adaptations. This was the second part of my video. This was the second part of my video. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you.